Welcome to Mr. English Couple, where stories make English come alive.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Couple. I'm Sara.
And I'm Jacob. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most useful topics for everyday life, ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes, whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just going to a cafe, knowing how to order food politely in English is super important.
Exactly. And today, we'll not only act out real-life examples, but also teach you grammar, vocabulary, and expressions that sound natural.
Perfect. Let's start with the first question learners always ask. What should I say when I enter a restaurant?
Great point. The first thing is usually to greet the host or waiter. You can say, "Hello, table for two, please."
Or if you're alone, hi, table for one, please.
Notice the word please. It makes your sentence polite and friendly.
Yes, politeness is very important in English, especially in restaurants.
Before we order, let's learn a few words. Menu, the list of food and drinks. Waiter or waitress, the person who takes your order. Table, where you sit to eat. Bill or check, the paper with the total cost. Starter or appetizer, a small dish before the main meal. Main course or entree, the main dish. Dessert, sweet food at the end of the meal. Beverages, drinks like water, juice, or soda.
Oh, yes. And sometimes they say special of the day. That's the chef's recommendation.
Exactly. And learners should know these words because they appear on menus almost everywhere.
Okay, Jacob, let's pretend we are at a restaurant. I just walked in. What should I say first?
All right, I'll be the host. Go ahead.
Hi, table for two, please.
Of course, right this way. Here's your menu.
Thank you.
Notice how polite and short that was. You don't need long sentences. A simple greeting and please works perfectly.
And thank you is very important after receiving the menu.
When you order, you can use can I, could I, or I would like to. Can I have a coffee, please? Casual. Could I have a coffee, please? Slightly more formal. I would like a coffee, please. Polite and professional.
So using could or would like makes your English sound more native and polite.
Exactly. And always add please at the end. It's simple but very important.
All right, let's order food. I'll start with the starter.
Go ahead.
I would like the tomato soup, please.
Great. You used I would like perfectly. You can also add, could I have the tomato soup, please?
And what if I want to ask a question about the food?
Good question. You can say, excuse me, does this soup contain dairy? Could you tell me if this contains nuts?
Oh, that's very useful for people with allergies.
Exactly. Safety first. And it also shows good communication skills in English.
Now, let's order the main course. I want to sound natural.
Go ahead.
Could I have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please?
Perfect. You can also add, and could I get it with extra sauce?
Yes. So if you want to customize your order, you can politely ask like this.
Exactly. And notice the grammar. Could I have plus please. Very polite.
And if I want a side dish, I can say, could I have a side of fries, please?
Perfect. Using side of is natural in English.
All right, drinks. I always get confused. How do I order drinks naturally?
Simple. You can say, I would like a glass of water, please. Could I get a lemonade, please?
And if I want to ask about drinks?
You can ask, excuse me, what drinks do you have? Could you recommend a drink?
So using excuse me at the beginning makes it polite.
Exactly. And when someone recommends something, you can respond with, thank you, I'll try that.
Sometimes the menu is confusing. How do I ask questions naturally?
You can say, what's the special today? Could you tell me more about the pasta? Is this dish spicy?
Ooh, and I can also ask about ingredients if I want healthy options. Does this dish contain gluten?
Exactly. These small questions make you sound confident in English and careful about your choices.
Jacob, can we explain the grammar here?
Yes, in English, when asking politely, you usually start with could you, would you, do you have. Examples: could you bring me a menu? Would you recommend a dessert? Do you have vegetarian options?
And notice we don't say, bring me menu. That sounds rude.
Exactly. Adding could, would, please makes all the difference.
Okay, dessert time. How do I ask nicely?
Same formula works. For example, could I have the chocolate cake, please? I would like a scoop of vanilla ice cream, please.
And if I want 2 desserts to share?
You can say, could we have 2 desserts, please? I would like 2 coffees, please.
Ah, using we is important when ordering for more than one person. At the end, I always get confused. How do I ask for the bill politely?
Simple phrases. Could we have the bill, please? Excuse me, can we get the check? Can I pay, please?
Oh, so could, can, please, same pattern again.
Exactly. And if you want to split the bill, could we pay separately, please?
That's very useful for friends going out together. Jacob, sometimes people ask me how to talk casually while eating.
Yes, small talk is fun and natural. You can say things like, this soup is delicious. I love this restaurant. Do you come here often? The weather is nice today. Perfect for lunch.
Ah, so learners can practice English naturally while eating, not just ordering.
Exactly. It helps confidence and fluency.
Let's recap the most useful expressions we learned today. 1. Table for 1 or 2, please. 2. Could I have? I would like. 3. Excuse me, what's the special today? 4. Could we pay separately, please? 5. Thank you and please always.
Also, would you recommend? Does this contain? And I'll try that.
Jacob, how can learners practice ordering food at home?
3 tips. 1. Role play with a friend or family member. Pretend one is the waiter. 2. Record yourself ordering. Listen and improve pronunciation. 3. Use English apps or videos. Watch real restaurants ordering.
And remember, don't memorize. Speak naturally, like a conversation. Okay, friends, let's recap. Today we learned how to greet politely, table for 2, please. Ask for the menu and drinks. Order starters, main courses, and desserts. Ask polite questions. Could you? Would you? Ask for the bill and split payments. Use small talk at the table.
We also learned new vocabulary: menu, waiter, bill, appetizer, dessert, beverage, and polite phrases with please, could, would like.
And most importantly, speak naturally, confidently, and politely.
Exactly. Practice at home, with friends, or even in real restaurants. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you enjoyed this episode and learned useful English for restaurants.
If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Couple.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite restaurant dish? How would you order it in English?
We'd love to read your answers. See you next time for another fun English lesson.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.